Hello, how are you? In this video, we will explain about record clip 1 is locked. Yes, is record clip 1, is unlocked and rotation for counterclockwise. And this locked. And this is gap in the part in unlocked, this is gap. The distance of this gap light is edit part and then evaluate measure in 2.5 millimeter. 2.5 millimeter. And this is pen. This pen. This pen to fix it with your wall between two parts. And I did this according to your image from here. Nathan. Sorry. File open. Yes, this image. This image. Download. Download images. Yes, this. No, sorry. File open. Open. Yes, I did according this image. From index plane for this, the thickness for the group, the channel, until to set the your body here. And also the depth of 6 millimeter. How can see this is the measures from this line to this line, 6 millimeter, and also this 6 millimeter, and this 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter from all, 10 millimeters and 10 millimeters. Also hollow for screw to mount to wall with anchor. This anchor or this is pin, height part, height part. This is your anchor connecting with locked part and unlocked part. That's perfect. Yes, in the last in the last open this part and create from here extruding sketchings and detail sketches. I see body, no any problem from here. Smart dimensions here 10 millimeter. Yes, okay, no problem with this grooving. Sorry, I see this line not good. I see this line of thickness not good. How can I fix it? From here sketching, this sketches is vertical line. Sorry, I don't see this. Now is perfect. Now I see is perfect. Okay. Now no any problem with this task about the angle of 90. No problem here. And in this image, I see the top and bottom. Top as locked, bottom as locked, and top as counterclockwise. to see this is this float part, this fixed part, and this is the float part. Well, counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Yes, counterclockwise. Tell me if you have any editing. Thank you so much. Regards in Hamza.